Wherever you plant your heart, wherever you make your art, class is in session, Mrs. Scribbles.
Hey friends, my name is Miss Scribbles and class is in session. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil and let's draw a gingerbread house. We're going to do a straight line on the left, on the bottom, and on the right. Then finish it off on the top. What this will look like is a long, skinny rectangle. Above that, you're going to do an even skinnier rectangle. Make sure this rectangle is a little bit wider than the big rectangle below it. Let's do the same thing at the bottom of that rectangle. This kind of looks like an ice cream sandwich if you ask me. Okay, let's do some stairs. You're going to do rectangles right in the middle of your rectangle ice cream sandwich. But each rectangle I want you to make wider and wider. We're going to do a total of 4 stairs. Do you see how each stair or each rectangle is getting wider and wider? But they're all the same skinniness. Is skinniness a word? I don't know, but you know what I mean, guys. Above that, let's do another rectangle. It's going to be the door. Go around that with, yes, another rectangle. Maybe we should call this the rectangle gingerbread house. Doorknob, please. Amazing, we just did a circle. Let's do a line to the right side of our door. At the top, I want to do upside down rainbows to give it that gingerbread feel. These are our gumdrops. Try to make your gumdrops the exact same size. Again, no one's perfect, but we can try to make them as close to the same size as possible. Amazing. On that right side, I want you to do a very long line going up and down, and then 2 going across. This is going to be our porch. I've never seen a gingerbread house with a porch, but this isn't your average gingerbread house. This is a gingerbread house from around the world. We'll do some slats on our porch to make sure that we don't fall off. And then we're going to do a window. I love it. A long skinny rectangle with 2 skinny rectangles on either side will give us those shutters we're looking for. Because they're shutters, we're going to do lines going side to side. Amazing. Let's do it on the other one. Awesome. And to make that a window, we're going to do a line going up and down and a line going side to side, like a cross or a lowercase t. At the top, I want you to do the top 2 sides of a triangle. Amazing. Above that, we're going to follow that line, but we're going to make it look fluffy like snow. I know it probably doesn't snow in tropical areas of the world, but we're just pretending right now. Okay, let's do lines from side to side on that triangle portion. Do your best to make these straight. My lines aren't super straight, but it's okay. Your style is your style. You're the artist, and I am cheering you on. Okay, let's work on a chimney. I don't think they're doing any crazy fires in this tropical paradise, but we're gonna go for it. Let's do a skinny rectangle with a line going down on each side. On the top of that, we're gonna do some snow again, which to me just looks like a fluffy cloud on the top of that skinny rectangle. Amazing. Let's hang some ornaments on our porch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same size circles and then do lines going all the way up, completely straight. Okay, let's give our tropical gingerbread house some bushes. This, again, is going to look like a cloud, but you're going to just do a bunch of rainbows connected to each other. Some can be big rainbows, some can be small rainbows, whatever you think. Make sure at the bottom you connect them with the bottom stair, and at the top you connect them with that skinny rectangle. I'm going to add some diagonal lines on my skinny rectangle so that we can make that bottom look like a candy cane. This is going to be an awesome gingerbread house. Okay, let's add some leaves. On the right side, I'm doing 2 curved lines that come to a point and then a line all the way down. Let's do another one. 2 curved lines that come to a point and a line all the way down. On this left side, it's going to look a little bit harder. Let me walk you through how to do a tropical leaf. You are going to do a wave, almost like you're at the ocean. But at the end, you're going to make it come to a small point. So each side of my leaf has 1, 2, 3 waves, and then it comes to a point. I do a line down the middle and some small circles on the inside of it. This is a tropical leaf. Feel free to grab your eraser, try again and again. I believe you, I didn't get this on the first time. It took a lot of looking at tropical leaves to figure out how to draw this. Let's do some ornaments in our bushes. Just small circles. We'll call these M&Ms since we're doing a gingerbread house together today. I feel like I'm about to see a monkey pop out from behind this gingerbread house. It looks so amazing. Have you seen a gingerbread house like this before? Let's add some gumdrops to the bottom and the left side of our door, and we did it.
Friends, you did a great job. Let's add some color now.
Wherever you plant your heart, wherever you make your art, class is in session, Mrs. Scribbles.